Fire tornadoes are a type of tornado that occurs in nature.
In this video, we'll discuss what fire tornadoes are, how they're formed, their characteristics, and what this all means for our future.
So what are fire tornadoes exactly? The word tornado is a little bit misleading because
Tornadoes are created by supercell storms. Fire whirls are more similar to a whirlwind, or more commonly known as a dust devil. These occur when the sun heats up the ground, causing warm air to rise and the air to rotate around an axis. So how are fire tornadoes and fire whirls formed?
most fire whirls are caused by wildfires. The heat of the fire causes the warm air to rise, creating a column or what is called an updraft. The air that goes up is replaced with colder air from the sides as a horizontal wind, which is commonly referred to as a fire-induced wind or an inflow. Wind shears flow in different directions adjacent to other air streams. Both wind shears and inflows create rotation, and they help form the vortex of the fire whirl. So what exactly is the difference between fire tornadoes and fire whirls?
The difference is size and destruction. There's only ever been 2 recorded true fire tornadoes, one in Australia in 2003 and one in California last year. A fire tornado is enormous, and it can create its own weather, which is normally referred to as microweather. Pyrocumulonimbus clouds are created from the fire. Water vapor that is inside the column will get higher and higher until it gets cool enough to be able to turn into a cloud droplet, which then creates the cloud that you see around the fire tornado.
When they turn into the droplets, heat is released, which creates a thunderstorm.
During the car fire in 2018, there was a fire tornado that was formed. It was a mile wide, had winds up to 143 miles per hour, temperatures up to 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, and it lasted for an hour and 20 minutes. It was the equivalent to an EF3 tornado. After the fire was put out, they found metal poles that were ripped from the ground and wrapped around trees. But what does all of this mean for our future? Have increased from 4 months to 6 to 8 months. This can be due to drought, fire suppression policies, earlier snow melting, higher temperatures, rainless days, etc. Many suspect there's a connection between longer fire seasons and climate change. This is something to be cautious of, and that needs more resources, research, and attention brought to. This has the potential to spiral out of control and kill thousands of lives. This matters.